Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Trezor Keep Metal. First, carefully unbox your new device and confirm all components are included and in perfect condition. Next, connect the Trezor Keep Metal to your computer using the USB cable provided in the package. This initial connection powers the device and prepares it for the next steps in the setup process, ensuring a smooth start to securing your assets. Now, generate your unique recovery seed phrase directly on your Trezor device. This crucial step ensures maximum security. Once generated, meticulously engrave each word onto the Trezor Keep Metal plates. Take your time and be precise, as this is your ultimate backup. After engraving, carefully double-check every single word to confirm its accuracy before proceeding to the next stage. After engraving, it's vital to verify the seed phrase. Compare each word on your metal plates with the words displayed on your Trezor device screen. This verification step confirms your backup is correct. Once verified, store your Trezor Keep Metal plates in a highly secure and private location, like a fireproof safe. Remember, never share your recovery seed with anyone. To finalize, complete any remaining software setup steps on your computer, following the on-screen prompts. It's a good practice to perform a small test transaction to confirm everything is working correctly and securely. This ensures peace of mind for your larger holdings. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.